down towards the pointy end of the summer season now. It's officially autumn, but it's still pretty damn warm. In fact, today it's going to get up to about 33 degrees, and tomorrow they're forecasting 39. So that's going to be a bit steamy. Anyway, I'm aware that the days are getting a little bit cooler, so I wanted to take advantage of this lovely weather while I could and head down to one of the locations I've been promising myself to film an armchair adventure in for ages. It's a place called Target Beach. It's located in the Beecroft Weapons Range, which is to the north of Jervis Bay. Now, before you pay a visit to Target Beach, and indeed any of those awesome little beaches in the Beecroft Peninsula, there's a couple of things you should know. Now, the first important of these is that the range is only open at weekends during non-holiday times. The other thing you should know is that sometimes, even though it's supposed to be open, it isn't. And this can be for a number of reasons, not least of which is that they might be using the range for target practice, and you probably don't want to be around when that happens. But the other reason is that the area is very susceptible to bushfire. There's been several run through there over the last year or so, and they sometimes shut it at short notice. Here we are at the Target Beach car park, which you get to by travelling towards Honeymoon Bay and then carrying on straight through the campground slowly because there's shitloads of kids about. And you get to this nice little car park here. As you can see, it's pretty quiet today. There's just one other car here. And 1 kilometre in, we've come to a little fork in the road. And as you can see on the helpful little sign here, Target Beach is down the hill off to my left there. According to the Apple Watch, that is 1.64 kilometers, and we are at the top of the steps. Okay guys, a little 360 to give you a lie of the land. Over in the distance, that's Point Perpendicular. You can just see the lighthouse poking up. We've got the heads of the bay there, swinging around towards Bowen Island, and beyond it, the Buddery National Park. In this bushland just in front of us here, we've got Silica Cove, and in the far distance now, you've got Huskisson and Vincentia. Over on the right there, just coming into view, you can see Long Beach, and just in front of it, Honeymoon Bay. As we swing back round onto Target, there's Little Duck Creek, which flows onto the beach, and you've got Little Target Beach just in the middle there. Just been flying the drone. It was fairly disastrous actually. I don't know whether it's because the phone is too hot or what's going on, but the DJI app kept crashing, and I'm unwilling to send it too far away unless I can be sure I'm going to get the bloody thing back again. So I've brought the drone down for the time being. I'm going to take a little walk now along the beach, go down to the little creek and up on the rocks there. Can't really argue with this awesome weather, can you? Absolutely beautiful down here at Target Beach. Just about the right temperature, in fact, about 27.5, 28 degrees. Going to be 10 degrees hotter than that tomorrow, and I will not be here, that's for sure. Might be somewhere in the ocean, but not here. As you can see on this northern inside edge of Jervis Bay, there's some really cool little hidden beaches. That one over in the distance there is not collecting any swell at all and would be an awesome place to walk around and spend some time. You could bring a boat or paddle out there. Like a lot of the really nice places in Jervis Bay, because this one's a little bit of a walk, you quite often get it to yourself much more than you would other places. That's it from Target Beach, which as you can see is an absolutely gorgeous spot, and like all the other locations I've visited in these little armchair adventures, I strongly suggest you come out and have a look at it for yourself. Right, I'm going to tootle off up the hill, 1.5k back to the car, and who knows, might even go for a swim at Honeymoon Bay. And that brings us to the end of another awesome armchair adventure. I've just been for a lovely swim down at Honeymoon Bay. Here's a photo to prove it. Don't I look lovely? Anyway, I'm celebrating getting 100 subscribers on this channel. Woo, the dizzy heights of stardom await me. Anyway, it's great. I thank you all for subscribing. So until next time, everybody, from the lovely Beecroft Peninsula, I'll see you next time. Bye.